Today's lesson is on percents and decimals. After today, you will be able to find a percent of a quantity as a rate per 100. First, we're going to look at our key idea for writing percents as decimals. First, you're going to remove the percent symbol, then divide by 100, or just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 23% would be equal to 0.23 or 23 hundredths once your decimal point has been moved 2 places to the left. For our first example for writing percents as decimals, we have A, write 52% as a decimal. We're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left. So if we started behind the 2 and move it up 2 places, that would put it in front of the 5, so we get 0.52 or 52 hundredths. For B, we're going to write 7% as a decimal. We're going to move our decimal up 2 places to the left, so 1, 2. In front of the 7, we didn't have anything, so we have to write a 0 to hold that space. So we're going to get 0.07 or 7 hundredths. Now we're going to look at an additional example. You can either pause the video and try it on your own, or you may follow along. We're going to write the percent as a decimal. We have, for number 1, 24%. So first we're going to start out by writing 24. We're going to take our decimal, which would be at the end, and move it up 2 places to the left. So there's 1, 2. So now it's in front of the 2. So my answer would be 0.24 or 24 hundredths. For number 2, we have 107%. So first I'll write 107, and then my decimals at the end, I'm going to move it up 2 places to the left. So I go 1, 2, and that puts it in front of the 0. So we have 1.07. So that's 1 7 hundredths. Now we're going to look at another key idea for writing decimals as percents. You're going to multiply by 100 or just move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then add a percent symbol. So 0.36, you would take the decimal, move it 2 places to the right, so 1, 2, we'd put it behind the 6, and then we add a percent sign to give us 36%. For our second example, we're writing decimals as percents. We have 3 examples on this one. For A, write 0.47 as a percent. So we're starting with 47 hundredths. We're going to take our decimal, move it 2 places to the right, which would then give us 47%. For B, we have 0.663. We're going to write that as a percent. So that's 663 thousandths as a percent. So we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the right, so 1, 2, and that would put it after the second 6 to give us 66.3%. And for C, we have 1.8 or 1 8/10 that we're going to write as a percent. We're going to take our decimal and move it 2 places to the right, 1, 2, which puts it behind the 0 to give us 180%. Now we have an additional example. You can pause the video and try it on your own, or you may follow along. We're going to write the decimal as a percent. For number 3, we have 0.94. So first I'm going to start out by writing 94. Then I'm going to take my decimal, move it 2 places to the right. So 1, 2 would put it behind the 4, and that would give me 94%. For number 4, I have 0.316 or 316 thousandths. So first I'm going to write 316. Then I'm going to take my decimal and move it 2 places to the right. So 1, 2 would put it behind the 1, and that would give me 31.6%. Don't forget to fill out your notes and remember to watch the video again if needed.